Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the month name with a month number in Python. So let's start the tutorial. One, which is January. Notice here the month name is January. It says shortcut from Jan.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here we got the Python-tutorials folder is added. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create one new Python file called monthNameGet.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is get the month name with a month number in Python. So first, when we are dealing with months or dates, we need to import the calendar module. After that, x is equals to, I want to enter the month number from the user input. So int input method, enter the month number is equals to, then if x is less than equals to 0, then print what I want to get the print here. Please enter the number between 1 and 12. If x is greater than 12, then print, I want to print the same message. In the else part, print the month name is comma calendar dot month underscore name which gives a full name. Suppose it's January here, January is there, January, it will print the January, not the Jan. So in the month name, the variable I am adding x. After that, I will show you the shortcut form also. Shortcut form, comma, again calendar dot month abbreviation, again array, I am adding x, this variable here, x I am adding. That's it, comma, let's close the bracket. That's it, we have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application. Get the month name with a month number in Python. So let's add the command to run the application. Get month name get.py, enter. And here it's prompting the month number. It's month number, not E here. Save this file, save all. Close. Now let's check the final output of our application. py month name get.py, enter. And it's prompting the month number when I'm adding 5, which is the month name is 5 is May, and shortcut form also is a May. If I enter 1, which is January, notice here the month name is January. It says shortcut from Jan. Now if a user enters 78 greater than 12, I will get the message, please enter the number between 1 and 12. or if a user enters less than 1, for example minus 19 something, notice here, please enter the number between 1 and 12 only. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the month name with a month number in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.